In this tutorial, we are learning how to crochet a little cute bow. For materials, we will need 3 mm crochet hook, 3 ply yarn and scissors. Begin with magic ring. Wrap it on your fingers like an X. Make a chain to secure this ring. Now to make side 1, chain 4. To make a treble crochet, yarn over 2 times and pull through 1, 2, 3 times. We need to make 3 more triple crochet. Double yarn over and pull through 3 times. It is called triple crochet to triple crochet or treble crochet. This is our 4th triple crochet. Now chain 4 again. We started with chain 4, 4 triple crochet, chain 4, and now slip stitch to close this side. Side 2 is repeated for side 1 pattern. Chain 4, yarn over 2 times and pull through loops 3 times. This is a triple crochet. 4 triple crochet, and then again chain 4 and slip stitch. The pattern is same for both sides. It is a quick and easy pattern for scrap yarn projects. Mostly it is used for hair ties and clips. This little tiny mini bow. Slip stitch to close this side and chain 1 to fasten off. Now cut yarn. We need these tails to wrap around to make center part of the bow. Tighten the magic ring. Now we will wrap around the both tails in opposite directions. Now tie it on the back to secure the ends. And cut extra yarn if it is visible. Now little bow is ready now. Hope you will like it. Please let me know in the comment box if you like the video, and do try it and make tiny mini cute projects. See you in next video.